Hello and welcome, dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin continues to form a downward trend and a correction against it. The trend structure is bearish. And the chart line remains at 97,900 USD. Only above this level can it be considered that a downward trend has concluded. Since there are no signs of a trend reversal to an upward movement, we expect a decline to resume sooner or later. On the daily time frame, the nearest POE point of interest zone for new sell traders is in the range of 79,500 and 81,100 USD. However, this area has been tested twice and the price reaction was very weak. Consequently, this button is likely to be invalidated, and Bitcoin may continue to rise to the next FVG in the range of 84K and 88,900 USD. The liquidity pool below the trend line remains a price target. A small bullish FVG has also formed. A reaction to it may signal a continuation of the correction and allow traders to open small, long positions. On the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin continues its upward movement, which remains a mere correction. The CHOCH line of the current upward structure is now at 74,950 USD. A consolidation below this level will signal a potential trend change. The completion of the upward trend on the 4-hour time frame may serve as a starting point for a new trend on the daily time frame. There are still no fundamental grounds for strengthening Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, Ethereum remains in a broader downtrend, while continuing to form a correction against it. The key bearish signal remains the weekly bearish order block. As we warned earlier, the move triggered by this pattern could be strong and long-lasting, and we do not believe it's over yet. In the near term, Ethereum may continue its weak bullish correction. But every correction eventually comes to an end. A new sell signal could soon form inside the nearest bearish FVG on the daily timeframe chart, while Bitcoin may generate a similar setup in its own zone. That's why for now we recommend watching for structure breaks on lower timeframes, as well as bearish patterns or reactions to them on higher timeframes. The 2026 low at 1744 remains a realistic downside target. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.